Hi guys, welcome to the Duttyberry Uncut channel. Now today is all about my Christmas tree that took me 2000 years to put together. Why did it come together so late? Because I am a procrastinator. I did not feel a vibe because I got so busy this year. But now I have the time, and so I am going to just do a little showcase of my Christmas tree. So take a look after me. So you see here is the star. If you look right here, you'll see the star. The star is saying, tada! I got 10 out of 10 on my exams. Tada! You look here, you see the red decorations. The red decorations has a good contrast against the green, the chlorophyll of the tree, the photosynthesis that is taking place right here. And so this is the nose of Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And that is what the red represents. Now over here I got the Santa Claus boots. The Santa Claus boots, and it is footloose, loose. Kick off your Christmas shoes. This is the boots are made for walking. That is what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk right over you. And then we have this this disco ball. And it used to dance. You are a dancing queen. Feel the beat. I have another disco one that is like hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, dancing queen only 17. And do I have anything else to talk about? Oh, there's a star. There is these little things that is just like, call down the snowflakes. Do you see a snowflake? Do you see a snowflake? And then I have the star. You're a shooting star, or did you sell rising stars? Why am I talking? Like, honestly, burritos, the jig is up. I'm really just trying to look for content for Vlogmas, and this is just sad that this is what I'm doing for you guys. But I told myself I'm going to do 25 videos for Vlogmas this year, and I'm going to do it. And so burritos, I'm going to just say bye right now because this is just embarrassing. But thank you so much for watching this. If you did, salutes to you. Please, don't even like it if you need to like it. Leave a comment and to talk about the fact that you're really rooting for me. Bye-bye.